Welcome to HouseLux Estate, your ultimate guide to financial freedom and wealth management. We're here to illuminate the path to prosperity by providing you with insightful, actionable information on finance and real estate. With a wide array of topics, we aim to equip you with the tools needed to navigate the financial seas with confidence and finesse. In today's episode, we're taking on a topic that many freelancers and entrepreneurs grapple with: taxes. Yes, that's right. No one enjoys giving away their hard-earned money, but taxes are a reality we must face. The good news? It's possible to reduce your tax burden significantly, and we're going to show you how. From understanding your tax obligations to maximizing your deductions, we've got a wealth of information waiting for you. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or a freelancer just starting out, these tips are meant to save you money and give you peace of mind. So without further ado, let's dive into the top tips for minimizing your tax burdens. First and foremost, understanding your tax obligations is crucial. Now, you might be wondering, why is it so important? Well, let's delve into that. Imagine you're on a road trip. You wouldn't set off without knowing your destination or the route you're taking, right? The same principle applies to your tax obligations. Without knowledge of where you're going or how to get there, you're likely to lose your way. In the realm of taxes, this could mean penalties, fines, or worse. Tax laws applicable to freelancers and entrepreneurs can be intricate and confusing, but don't let that deter you. Let's simplify them. Firstly, there's income tax. This is a tax on, you guessed it, your income. As an entrepreneur or freelancer, your income tax is based on your net profits. That's your total income minus your business expenses. Then we have sales tax. This is a tax on the sale of goods and services. If you're selling a product or a service, you may need to collect sales tax from your customers and pay it to the government. Lastly, there's the self-employment tax. This tax is essentially your contribution to Social Security and Medicare. As a freelancer or entrepreneur, you're both the employer and the employee, so you're responsible for the entire share. Now, these are just the basics. The tax laws can vary depending on your location, the type of business you run, and many other factors. It's essential to educate yourself about the specific tax laws applicable to your situation. Don't let the complexity of tax laws intimidate you. Instead, see it as a challenge to conquer. With knowledge comes power, and in this case, the power to potentially lower your tax bill. You see, the more you understand about your tax obligations, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the tax landscape and seize opportunities to minimize your tax burden. Remember, the first step to minimizing your tax burden is understanding what you are required to pay. So equip yourself with knowledge, and you're already on your way to a smoother, less taxing journey. Next up, let's talk about the importance of keeping accurate records. Picture this: you're an artist. Your canvas, the world of freelancing and entrepreneurship. Your paintbrush, accurate record keeping. It might not sound as glamorous as a palette of vibrant colors, but trust me, it's just as crucial. In the grand scheme of things, keeping meticulous records is like following a breadcrumb trail. It leads you back to every business transaction, every income earned, every expense made, and every possible deduction. It's your roadmap to financial transparency and tax reduction. Think of it as a financial diary that narrates your business story. Every income you receive, right down to the last cent, should be recorded. That's your revenue stream, the lifeblood of your business. But the story doesn't end there. Every expense you make is equally important. From the smallest stationery purchase to the largest equipment investment, every penny counts. These are the puzzle pieces that, when pieced together, paint the full picture of your business expenses. Then, we come to deductions. These are like the hidden treasures in your business journey. They are potential tax savers that often go unnoticed. Keeping track of these potential deductions, like home office expenses or travel costs, can significantly help reduce your tax burden. Accurate records provide a clear, unambiguous snapshot of your financial status. They are your safety net, protecting you from potential tax problems. They help you identify patterns, track growth, and plan for the future. But there's more to it than just protection. Accurate record keeping is a key player in your business's growth story. It helps you make informed decisions, optimize your operations, and strategically plan your tax obligations. In essence, accurate record keeping is a vital tool in your entrepreneurial toolkit. It's your silent partner working behind the scenes, ensuring your business runs smoothly while minimizing your tax liabilities. Keeping detailed records not only saves you from potential tax problems, but it can also help reduce your tax burden. So pick up that paintbrush and start painting your business story with accurate records. Now, let's move on to a critical aspect of tax reduction: maximizing your deductions. Think of deductions as the secret weapon in your tax reduction arsenal. They're the quiet heroes that can significantly reduce your taxable income and thus your tax burden. But how do you maximize them? Let's discuss some common deductions that you, as a freelancer or entrepreneur, can take advantage of. Firstly, we have home office expenses. If you're using a part of your home exclusively for your business, you're likely eligible for a home office deduction. This can include a portion of your rent or mortgage, utilities, and even internet costs. However, remember the key word here is exclusively. Your home office should be a defined area used solely for business. Next up, travel and meals. If you're traveling for business or dining with clients, you could deduct a portion of these expenses. Keep in mind, though, that there are specific rules around what counts as a business meal or travel. Always keep detailed records of the purpose of your trips or meals to substantiate these deductions. Then we've got business expenses. These are the costs you incur to keep your business running smoothly. They can range from advertising expenses to supplies to professional services. Essentially, if you're spending money to make money, there's a good chance it's deductible. It's important to remember that while these deductions can be incredibly beneficial, they can also be complex. Tax laws change frequently, and what is deductible one year may not be the next. Therefore, it's always a good idea to consult with a tax professional. They can ensure you're not only maximizing your potential deductions, but also staying within the bounds of the law. By maximizing your deductions, you can significantly reduce your taxable income and thus your tax burden. So don't overlook these potential savings. Make deductions your secret weapon and watch your tax bill shrink. Tax reduction doesn't have to be a mystery. It's all about understanding the tools at your disposal and using them effectively. Finally, consider hiring a tax professional. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another expense? Really? But hear me out. A tax professional can be a game changer in your journey to reducing tax burdens. Tax professionals have a wealth of expertise in tax laws, which, let's be honest, can be as complex as deciphering ancient hieroglyphs. They stay updated with the ever-changing tax regulations, ensuring you're never caught off guard. And who wouldn't want to avoid those pesky tax surprises, right? Now here's something to sweeten the deal further. Tax professionals are like treasure hunters. They're skilled at identifying potential deductions you may not even be aware of. This can range from home office expenses for freelancers to business travel costs for entrepreneurs. These potential deductions can lead to significant tax savings, but of course, there's the elephant in the room, the cost. Yes, hiring a tax professional does come with an additional expense. However, it's essential to view this not as an unnecessary outlay, but as an investment. Think about it. The cost of hiring a tax professional can often be recouped through the tax savings they help you achieve. It's like paying a small fee to unlock a treasure chest of deductions and savings. Moreover, a tax professional can save you time. Time you can then invest in growing your business or freelancing venture. They take care of the nitty-gritty of tax filing, allowing you to focus on what you do best. All right, let's recap. A tax professional brings to the table their expertise in tax laws, their ability to identify potential deductions, the time savings they offer, and the peace of mind knowing your taxes are in capable hands. While it may seem like an unnecessary expense, hiring a tax professional can save you a lot of money in the long run. So before you dismiss the idea, weigh the potential benefits. You might just find that a tax professional is the ally you need in your quest to reduce your tax burdens. And there you have it. Top tips for reducing your tax burden as a freelancer or entrepreneur. Let's recap. Firstly, understanding your tax obligations is crucial. Be aware of your responsibility to pay self-employment taxes, and remember that planning ahead can save you stress down the line. Secondly, keep accurate records. Every receipt, every transaction, every dime spent on your business should be accounted for. This not only keeps you organized, but also ensures you are ready come tax season. Thirdly, maximize your deductions. From home office expenses to business-related travel, be sure to claim any and all deductions you're eligible for. Lastly, don't underestimate the value of a good tax professional. Having someone with the right expertise in your corner can make all the difference. Thank you for tuning in to HouseLux Estate. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable tips on finance and real estate. Until next time, keep striving for financial freedom.